Introducing the 2023 Skoda Octavia E30 2.0 TDI 115 HP 5-door in sleek grey. This automatic saloon is loaded with top-of-the-line features, including Bluetooth phone, cruise control, and multifunction display for a premium driving experience. Safety is a priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy luxury trim and energy recuperation inside. Rest assured, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Visit bradyscavan.ie or call us now to learn more about this exceptional vehicle. Don't miss out on the opportunity to drive home in style and comfort today.